What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another Fuel Forge Gaming YouTube video. Today we are back on beamng RLS career mode, and if you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can, I don't know how you guys can't see this lime green 300BX. If it's, I think it's the 300BX. I don't know. It is incredible. We do have some minor little damage on the bumper, but that was my fault. I got in a little... No, I think I hit a curb or something. This thing is very low to the ground. But this thing we bought for like $8 grand. Did like a couple $1,000 in customization. But it is crazy. It is crazy how good this thing is. But yeah, $8 grand for one of these, dude, is crazy for a BX. Especially this low, like it basically came stock like this. It had 788 horsepower, which is crazy when you tell me. Wait, it just stalled out. And it's a manual, but we are going to go and check something out, not the box truck's hood, because I would like to keep this thing like mint condition. Is that police doing an illegal U-turn? Not in a gear. This thing like floats. Oh my gosh. Yeah, these stickers were already on there. Oops. I just ran that stop sign and that cop did not care at all. Also, it is a sequential, so it is no grinding gears or anything like that, which that is good. We might sometime, at some point, three rotor swap it or something. But who knows? But yeah, this thing is gonna be probably our drift car. Talking about drift cars, I have a Discord server up on, actually, I might have already posted it by then, I don't know. But yeah, I have a Discord server. If you want to join, there will probably be a community post out, about joining my custom drift thing. We're gonna take this out. This thing is sick. Okay, so we got the Jeep, right? We got the Jeep, and then so we got the Jeep. Just it was really just a pretty cool build. I think it was actually, yeah, it was Cummins swapped. It was a Cummins police car. Also, I need to take off this mirror. Where was that at? That was on the body. Where is it? I think it was on the windshield frame. Yep, there it is. Oh man, those are expensive. Yeah, so it is a Cummins, and yeah, it's really, really cool. To the point, I want to get this thing to be turned off, but I'm gonna sell this. 45 bucks, not bad. So basically, we debadged that cop car. Let me just turn this off because I cannot hear. We debadged the cop car, and we got this. Let me open up the door. Can I not open up the door? No, I can. Okay. Open hood. And then we're gonna open the, wait, what? Wait. Huh? Wait a second. Why is this not opening up? Whatever. It's fine. But yeah, we have a come and swapped hopper or Jeep, whatever you want to call it. It is a manual too. We're gonna open up the back and all that. Not needed though, because yeah. And then we're gonna get on the road. This is not your ordinary come and swapped Jeep though. And I'm gonna go to the track area. It is very high RPMs. I think it's at 5,000 RPMs. Red light, or green light, I mean. This thing is like crazy. Okay, we do need to get a new steering wheel for it. There's two cops. Jeez. I don't know also why it's leaning to the right. There's no damage on the car. Maybe there's like an adjustment that we need to make on the car. Oopsie. But yeah, basically, just to get to the point. Oopsie. Oh no. Sorry, cop. Man. Wow. I need to pull into here, dude. Oh my gosh. Let's park. Dude, we just got this thing. Well, I actually have had this for a long time. I just haven't. Really? Oh my gosh, dude. What is wrong with me, dude? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's turn this off, bro. Oh my gosh. Let's get out of here. Oh, dude. Now maybe I can open the hood up? Nah. Oopsie. Now the window broke. Dude, this is not gonna be cheap, dude. Why can I not open up that door? I just cannot open up the door. Okay. Then we're gonna pop the hood, right? That's the hood release. I don't know. I don't know, guys, bro. Every single video, I wreck one of my cars. And yes, guys, I did sell my Nissan Skyline. Just didn't need so many cars. We're gonna tow it to the garage. Man, dude, oh my gosh. I think that was the first time second time. Worth 11 grand. Oh my gosh. That just went down 30,000. Oh my gosh. But guys, that'll be the end of the video. I'll probably sell it. So I hope y'all enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!